Well, folks, welcome to the Mount Storm coal-fired power plant. Off in the distance, you can see the smokestacks with the exhaust spewing out. In the far distance, you can see the ridge lines covered with windmills that were turning that day. You can also see quite a haze off in the distance, and that haze is largely a collection of particulate matter from coal combustion. As we move around here, you can see large landscaped areas where there's been new trees planted. This was all clear cut. A lot of this was mined for coal. We're going to come around here to, um, you can see where the landscape has been stepped up in places, and that's a clear indication of reclamation or where they've taken an old coal mine and filled it back in. In fact, this was a mountaintop removal site over here many, many years ago, and now it's been rebuilt as sort of a modern ziggurat, which resembles the ancient Mesopotamian pyramids, but you can see that stepped sort of nature. That's replacing what used to be a mountain. So as we move our way around here, of course, you can see off in the distance the lake that the Mount Storm power plant sits on, and of course on the coast of, and that lake is a man-made lake. It's dammed on the far end, and one of our slides here coming up, we're going to go check out the dam. All right. So there's an interesting juxtaposition of fossil fuel and renewable energy. Well, let's get started with the rest of the tour.